Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've got an update for you on this emergency radio, this RD636W. Sells for $9.95 on Amazon. And I did a couple of tests. I fully charged the built-in battery, and then I turned the radio on medium volume, and I let it play until the radio stopped, which gave me 7 hours and 10 minutes of playtime. I was pretty impressed because I think it's a pretty small rechargeable battery built into this thing. Then I did my 5-minute crank charging, where I crank for a minute and then I rest for about a minute. Whoops. It didn't take much to get it started again. Turn this off. There we go. What was I saying before the radio interrupted me? Anyway, I crank for a minute, I rest. I crank for a minute, I rest until I get 5 minutes of cranking. And then I turn the radio on and let it play and see how long it plays. The one thing I know, two things I noticed. This is kind of a semi-sharp edge. So when you're cranking it, and your fingers or your thumb rubs across it, you knock over the camera. Oh, geez, I'm not having a very good day. So that's one thing. So that needs to be buffed down a little bit or something. Also, this seems a little bit flimsy, so you got to be careful you don't break this off. So that's two observations I had while cranking this thing. So the good news is, I can't get it back in the hole. There we go. The good news is, only 5 minutes of cranking, it played the radio for 45 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Pretty impressive. I don't know if I'll do a solar test where I, again, deplete the battery and let it solar charge, because these little panels, it takes a long time for it to charge. But I might try my 4-hour test where I put this in the window that has sun coming in for 4 hours and then see how long the battery lasts. I might do that. Okay, so that's it. Pretty impressive for this little $9.95 radio. Check out my Amazon store. I put it in my Amazon store. I liked it that much. Next, we will be doing the same thing with this guy, who's got a 2,000 milliamp battery, rechargeable battery. So it should last longer, theoretically. We shall see. This is $23.95. It's digital. Got a digital readout. There it is right there. Whoops. Here we go. A little bright for my camera. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. And have a great day. Bye-bye.